Look at a webcam. The dogs are fighting. This would be like docket entry number 217. You gotta speak to these people in a language they can understand. They just throw this crap in the garbage anyway. They're not letting this case go. 3 years. So I write, I got a bunch of these on tap. But I figured out because there ain't nothing else to do it here. You don't take care of yourself, don't take care of your health. Just worry about this court case. Where they're making $100 turn to $25,000 on you, but just to the meat and potatoes of this. So once again, this is like third or fourth motion to recuse. Motion to recuse and summon a just judge. Filed under the light of the sun and the gaze of the moon between Joshin and Boaz. You gotta speak to these people in a language that they can understand. We'll start casting spells on them. Now comes the affiant. Witness of wrongs and bearer of rights, standing not alone but between the sacred pillars. Joshin, pillar of establishment and strength. Boaz, the pillar of balance and mercy. These dogs are going nuts. Standing in this divine threshold, the affiant declares, whereas the current Judge Frank has forsaken the sacred balance, leaning into partiality, neglect, and denial of due process. The courtroom has become a place of imbalance, where mercy is withheld, strength is abused, and the sun is blocked by the shadow of unlawful rulings. And whereas the affiant is called not to submit to injustice, but to stand upright between the twin truths of accountability and compassion. Some real that day in September kind of crap. Gemini crap. Now therefore let the following be decreed and made manifest, that the present judge be recused and released, their gavel laid down before further harm is done, that a new judge aligned with truth, integrity, and sacred duty be summoned to the bench, that all rulings like shadows at dawn be re-examined in the light of lawful order and equitable reason. This motion is born not of vengeance but of balance, not of rebellion but of restoration. Let it be granted that justice may once again pass through the pillars, firm, fair, and fearless. Submitted this 4th day of April, between the pillars of Joshin and Boaz, the blessings of the sun and the moon, Bashatilim, affiant, guardian of the threshold, servant of strength and mercy. Electronically signed. I'm not even going to Adobe fill and sign anymore. They don't deserve a real signature. No, this is good enough. Electronically conformed, just like Frank does. Electronically conformed. And stuff. Signed in alignment with celestial law and procedural righteousness, and projected through the e-portal through your dimension. This isn't legal advice or anything. I'm not a lawyer, I'm not an attorney. If you need legal advice, go get it somewhere else. I'm not that person. I just filed this. We got more on tap. It's so difficult to work in here with these dogs. I need a better RV. I need a bigger, better, more substantial RV. I need some justice too. Thanks for coming.